Welcome back to Spreadsheet Edit channel. So today we'll be continue on the master issue tracker, and the topic today cover will be the tab picker in the Google spreadsheet. Okay, and the last one will be the turnaround time formula, which is the NETWORKDAYS.INTL, okay, international, and we'll see how we do this. Okay, from here, right, as you can see, we have reported date, processed date, and completed date. These are the three dates that will be listed since previously, okay, since early. And how we're going to do it, that for example, right, currently we want to insert the date. Currently we only can type like this, okay, so which is not already a good idea. And before that, always ensure your settings, right, in the Google spreadsheet, select the correct one, okay. And for this one, because it's date format, so and then I'm going to select the format over here. So over here, basically I'm going to select the date like this, okay. So this is the date, okay, and same go for these two. Go to the format, number, and then select that, okay. Other than that, so the next one, we're going to right click on the any cell and data validation. There's a changes for the data validation. Previously we don't have so much selections, so this one's right, what you're going to do is like just put like this, more than enough, okay. And the criteria is not drop down, so you is the validate. You see there are much more selections compared to the previously, okay. Check box, all these things, you see. What you ought to need to do is just select validate, okay. So once you select validate, right, okay, then you click done, as simple as that, okay. So the time, this time, right, when I go to the reported date, okay, now you automatically create a tab picker for you, and then you can click on the date. So for this case, I just put the second first, okay. So because I need to use it for the little process date, okay. And same things we need to repeat for the process and completed date as well. So and then we're going to do the same, okay. Just as simple as that. So add rules over here. This is column I. You can see it's as simple as that, okay. So now we have all these things. So the process that we put at third, and then completed that we put maybe 18, okay. So this we have a complete cycle, okay. For the TAT, normally we calculate from the process until the completed date, okay. So from here, right, the first formula we are thinking of is the net. You see the INTL, the next one. So click on this, okay, the start date. So we are going to select on the column H, okay, H2, and then comma, and the second date, okay. So which is I2, and the weekends, okay. So the weekends, the format always like 0000011. One stand for the weekends. You can put one weekends, okay. It depends on your country, okay, and also your state and your government stated what's the rule there, okay, and your as well as your company rules as well, okay. So the next one, the holiday part, of course we have do the public holiday. So and in my previous video I did mention on that, okay. So now we're going to show you how to do this. It's so simple that we just select this one, okay, and then A. So we are done, okay. So from here they will exclude the public holiday and the weekends, okay. So it will return 12 day, okay. So from here we just look on the public holiday on August. Is there any well, you so called the public holiday? Yes, is 31st, but not in before that. So from here there's no public holiday, so we calculate from third. Okay, so until 18, so inclusive 13 until 18, right? You see 7 to 11 is 5 days, 14 to 18 is another 5 days, and 3 4, okay, 3 to 4 is another 2 days. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 12 days. So the public holiday will be excluded. So what if I change these formulas, right? I change this one, like I mentioned, so it will add another 2 days. Okay, so it becomes 14, and you have to remove, okay, it will become more. And since this is the standard in my country, so I will just live with this. So this is it. So hope you like today's videos, okay, and then the next one will continue on populating the datas. Okay, so I will get all the datas from inside, okay, and then we will working on the so-called the summary. Okay, so the summary, I think we just left on one or two. Okay, and of course this formula is not that straightforward. Okay, this is just one of those very straightforward formulas. If there's no date, okay, you also need to consider. But if they're selecting the wrong date, which is the completed date less than the process date, like for example 1st of August, which is not possible, so this one you need to put the invalid message, and so on and so forth. And also you need to calculate, okay, if either of this day is empty, right, this TNT will not be calculated. Okay, so this is the things. So to make it simple, okay, I will use the if formula. Okay, the first one, and the first thing I need to do is I need to close the bracket at all. Okay, and then I start with this one. Okay, I put the all case, and of course I always use this favorite formula, which is h2. If it's empty, right, it will show 0. Okay, or lang stream I2 equals 0. Okay, so this is end of the testing. Okay, so we will show nothing here. And the other one is like, okay, if we need another next if again. Okay, and this time we're going to close here. Okay, so the first idea, either one if empty, right, we will return. So the next one always when there's a value. Okay, so this time, right, I will just put I2 less than h2. Okay, what's going to do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put invalid. If you want to put more precise things, you can put invalid completed date. So for this ones, right, and so I need to change the keyboard to the other one, because the thing is that I cannot type the double quote. Okay, so from here, so when it happens, right, I know what's going on there. So now you see nothing's here, right? So let's say I change it, position it to first, so it will immediately show invalid. Okay, so this is the things. And of course these ones, right, we can do some things like the wrap text. Wrap text is here, that's wrapping. Okay, so from here, so I just change back to just now I chose 18, right? Okay, so it changed to 12. And for the time being, we use this drop down list, and of course if we know the things very clearly, right, so we can program this based on the selection criteria here. Once like this completed that show over here, then we will put completed as well. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video.